What is up, guys? So
what up?
Leaving off from the last video, we're still on our way down to Florida. We're in Georgia now. I just finished up yesterday's video just to get that done and out at a reasonable time. So we got about, I would say, 6 hours left to HB Logic. They're pretty far south in Florida, so it's kind of a pain in the ass, but we'll get there soon enough. It's nice out. It's
sunny and 60.
Sunny and 60. We haven't seen sun in a long time.
No, we have not.
So it's nice, and Donald's taking the wheel right now. So yeah, 6 hours. I don't know what's gonna happen in between then. Hopefully none of us get tickets, and hopefully we get there smoothly. So HB Logic, we'll see you soon. Well, guys, the Florida curse has happened.
It happens.
Happens every single time.
90 something and a 65?
It's 70, no, it's a 71.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it just, honestly, the problem with the Route 75 or the Route 95 is that, like, it's distinctively known for traveling, and so of course they're heavily patrolled, so you got to be careful, especially with a foreign plate if you're, you know, from a different state, obviously. So we're in Georgia, and I don't think in Georgia it's considered reckless, which is sick. So it's just a general speeding ticket. Yeah, we just got his first speeding ticket. Welcome to the club.
Yeah.
It's okay though.
Feels fucking great.
Feels great.
Still gonna send it.
You're nuts. We're in Florida, baby! Too bad HB Logic is like another 3.5 hours. Donald took a nice little nap again. I'm still running on an hour and a half of sleep. I'm gonna take a nap now. We got an hour and 35 minutes to go until we're at the drop off for the car, and then Roberto's gonna pick us up, and then we're finally done driving. DJ's filming a rap video right now.
The final 100 miles.
Oh, she's dipping. Woo-wee. You don't want it. You don't want it. Goodbye, Verso. You'll be missed. It's been real.
How tall you are. I can't get over that gate. I never want to deal with that ever again in my life.
Alright guys, we're here officially at HP Logic. I always put an S at the end of it, HP Logics. Doesn't that sound so nice though, Roberto?
That's alright.
Well, there you go.
Plural, sorry.
Oh, they still got the cappuccino. Donald's gonna drive it tomorrow. He's a tiny man. What's up, guys? So we are currently sitting in Jack's household. What's up, homie?
Fish tanking.
Fish tanking.
Look at that, fish tanking.
He's teaching me about saltwater fish.
Yeah,
and how to tank it.
Get the whole thing going, you know? We got a lot of...
They're all hiding right now. Although
they're pissed off.
Where's Nemo?
Nemo's, well, how many of them? I got a bunch of Nemos.
You got a bunch of Nemos.
About 4 Nemos.
Okay, so of course we are now in Florida. This is technically our second full day here. It's gonna be first day we came in late. We didn't sleep at all. We were zombies, so we didn't really get much done. Yesterday, Jack was basically just letting us play with everything he owns.
Yeah, we just took out the toys. We still got more toys to play with too.
Plenty of toys. We took the Ferrari out.
That was fun.
So Jack's telling me this is probably the loudest car he owns. I'm excited to hear it. Cold start.
Ready for that cold start?
So 90s, it hurts.
I know.
So we're gonna go straight to Miami in this, right?
That's what I'm saying.
Look at the shifting orientation on this. First is all the way to the bottom left. That's super weird. Oh, you missed second.
Cold training.
Jack's got so much cool shit.
Yeah.
It was a really good time. It was fun basically to just enjoy the warm weather and to just basically hang out and learn a bunch from Jack.
Warm weather. You guys are crazy.
Oh, it feels amazing here. So sorry guys, I've been really spotty with the footage. Of course you guys know, being a vlogger, you have to basically be a day ahead of yourself or you put yourself 2 days behind. And that's currently where I'm at right now. So it's early, what is it, Thursday morning, and so I'm gonna be actually dropping this today, basically just to get caught up and update you guys where we are, and we'll get back on cycle. So we're gonna head down to HB Logic, basically Jack's shop, essentially, when it comes down to it. And we're going to be talking a little bit more about them, updating you guys who don't know what HP Logic is somehow, and going from there. So let's get to the show.
Let's go.
We got the R32 today.
Oh, you do. Wish the window worked. We got AC though, so that's a plus.
I forgot we had AC.
That's a fucking plus.
Pulling up.
Pull up.
Pull up.
Pull up.
We're officially at HP Logic right now. Me and Donald, we actually went fishing. We got a little sidetracked and went fishing, actually. I don't know, we caught a fish. Donald's still trying to fish. I don't know where he went. DJ's really committed to catch a fish. You catch anything yet? Yeah, fuck you. All right, guys. So we're here. All right, guys, so you're probably wondering why the hell we're in Florida. I don't know if I actually fully talked about this yet. My footage is kind of all over the place, but we came down here, one, to visit the HP Logic guys because I love this place, and two, to escape the weather, and three, Donald needs a car. So DJ has his eye on a certain car that he really, really wants, and we're gonna talk about that later on, probably tomorrow. But for now, we're kind of just gonna go through, show everything off, and get you guys updated. All right, guys, if you guys missed the live stream last night, things got a little out of hand.
That's not the turtle. That is not the turtle. Don't get any. Don't make any.
We're not trying to catch turtle. I ended up in the lake last night in the live stream.
God, it was crazy. If you guys like the live stream, tell Jimmy because
we want to do more.
We want to do more.
You know, I never know how to start these things, but I guess we'll get right into it. So it's about what, 75 degrees outside?
Feels like 65 to me.
I'm sweating. Looks like this guy.
I got a hoodie.
You're nuts. I'm dying. It's
nice.
All right, guys. So of course we're at HP Logic, out here in West Palm Beach, Florida, I think, right? Well, that's where we are. And I'm out here with Jack Cecile.
Jack Cecile.
Cecile. Owner and operator of HP Import.
Close enough.
No, HP Logic. My bad.
That's right. HP. It says HP Import on the window. Don't get confused. HP Logic is the name of the company. Horsepower Logic. We happen to import cars as well, so that's where the HP Import comes from. So we kind of play on words, play on logo, make it look the same kind of. You know?
Okay, so I see a lot of import cars here. I see a lot of Japanese. I see a Z, GTST or GT.
Yep, in process.
We got a cappuccino. We got another TTZ over there. There's like three There's like three GTRs in there. There's one of everything.
We got everything.
So what do you guys mainly do here?
Mainly, our focus has been recently Skylines, really, but mostly Nissan stuff. We do a little bit of everything. We're an all-inclusive shop. We do domestic. We do import. There's no real ends to what we do. It's just we follow the trends, and right now the trend has been Japanese imports and mainly Skylines, Nissans.
And Jack's got a lot of cool stuff. True. All right, we're gonna do a quick walk around for you guys that haven't seen the HP Logic shop before, and of course Jack has his own YouTube channel. How you forget that?
Exactly. Yeah, check me out, Jack Cecile. That's put a thing.
We'll put a link in the description, so you guys will see way more of his cool stuff on there, and you get to make fun of Roberto on there too. So click the link in the description. So I mean, quick run through. We got the big ass dyno in the middle of the shop.
Yeah, this is a Mustang AWD 500 SC. This is our workhorse for. Yeah, this is our workhorse for tuning. We do all of our heavy tuning on this dyno. It's been
What about the light tuning?
light tuning we do on a smaller dyno. No, I'm just joking.
Okay. So
We don't do any light tuning.
We don't do any light tuning.
Yeah.
This is Jack's GTR. This is Dusty.
This is Dusty. Dusty is a wolf in sheep's clothing, so to speak.
A dirty sheep.
Yeah, dirty sheep. She's a dirty sheep.
She's a dirty sheep.
Ooh, yeah. No,
He's gonna let me drive it.
I am. I'm gonna let you take it for a little spin, see what you think. But the basics are: this is a 1990 Nissan Skyline GTR. From the outside, everything looks pretty
Dusty.
tame, pretty dusty. When I first got it, it was covered in dust, and I never cleaned it, and I still don't clean it to this day. I just wipe the windows down, and that's it. So it's really dusty all the time. You can see back here. It's just,
Oh my god.
it's a dusty mess.
It's like all my cars.
Yeah. So I call it dusty. It's stuck.
It's stuck, and it makes 600 horsepower somehow. So there's
Dusty
that.
is a pretty interesting setup because A, it's got carbon doors.
By accident.
By accident. B, so everything under the
Oh my
hood is
god. I
HKS.
never seen
Yeah, we've got HKS 2530 turbos, HKS 272 cams, HKS fuel rail, HKS intercooler, HKS old school blow-off valve, HKS piping, HKS intakes. The list goes on and on.
He's got an R34 too. We'll show that later. I love that car. So we also quickly. I'm just gonna do a bird's eye view right now. We got Roberto's Fairlady Z, and that is a TT N8 to TT swap. Thing's insane. More customer GTRs, and it's endless.
Miata guys,
Miata for the mailman.
Yeah.
If you guys want to cut hair and deliver mail, this is for you.
Or if you're a manager at Burger King.
Woo. Wow, that is so cool.
Too pretty.
So there's the, again, you know, I'm always put all your money under the hood first type of guy. I like doing that. I like to make sure that, you know, the cars run their absolute best before you make them look their absolute best. John V's, ITBs with a Racing Beat header, and it's running on Megasquirt. These are 350Z injectors that I mated up to it. So we have.
Are those bolts right in?
They are.
Clip harness?
No, they plug right in.
Really?
This is the factory plug. Yeah. Plug right in. A lot of people don't know that.
There you go.
There's pro tip.
I don't know.
It's a really nice setup. This car picked up like 25, 30 horsepower with the ITB's header and everything all together.
That is awesome.
Which is huge on a 100 horsepower car.
True.
I mean,
huge. And
a cool rendition just because it's right-hand drive, being a roadster. So most people are familiar with Miatas, but not too many people have seen a roadster.
no, I didn't even know it was a thing until I met Ryan.
There you go.
You guys ever seen a bike dyno? I thought that was the coolest thing ever.
There you go. It's my bike dyno. So we got the Dynamite. Can go, you know, pretty much endless horsepower as long as you can get traction. But I put my Ducati on it, tuning a couple of other bikes. We're just really starting to crack the bike tuning stuff.
We're trying to get a car for Donald. Now, he has one in mind.
I do.
You want to give him a hint? Keep him guessing.
It's black and it's right-hand drive.
Ooh. That's usually the go-to move. It's a Z32. Psych. No, it's okay. All right, guys. So we got a lot of stuff going on today. We got a big list of things to do. We gotta get DJ a car. We gotta play with that car. Go gator hunting. Go fishing. Ride a 300 horsepower jet ski. Drive a GT. Drive a R34. Drive a R32. We got a lot of stuff to do. So if there's anything you guys want to see, in, of course, in general, like, let us know, because we will film it and we'll have fun doing it. Are you excited?
Oh, I'm stoked.
So hope you guys are stoked for the next couple of days of footage, because I know I am. Sorry this video was kind of short and thrown at you, but we needed this transition day of updates, and that's about it.
That's what we have transitioned. Now it's time to actually go have fun and do some cool shit.
There it is. So of course, guys, go check out Jack's YouTube. I'll put it down in the description. Check him out. He'll be doing updates also, so if you want a second point of view for out this week, of course, that is the place to go. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe.
Stay tuned for more dope content.
No, you're not. You got to end it, Jack.
Oh, yeah.
Boom!